In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple pages in one card website. If you've ever wanted your card site to feel like it has separate pages, like Home, About, or Contact, while keeping everything in a single project, this is exactly how to do it. We'll use a built-in feature called a section break to split your site into page-like sections, then link to them with buttons or navigation. Start by heading to Card in your browser and open your dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, click the project you want to edit to open it in the builder. Inside the builder, look for the Add button, usually at the top or side panel. Click Add, then choose Control from the element options. Controls let you manage structure and behavior, and this is where the magic happens for multi-page setups. With the new control element selected, open the Type dropdown. From the list, choose Section Break. This tells Card that everything below this point belongs to a new section, effectively a new page within your site. You'll be asked to name the section. Choose a short, clear name that describes the page, like About, Services, or Contact. Avoid spaces or special characters. A simple lowercase word works best. This name becomes the section's anchor, which you'll use to link to it. Click Done to save the section break. From here on, any element you add beneath that break, text, images, forms, anything, will belong to that new page section. You can repeat this by adding more section breaks to create as many sections as your layout needs. To navigate between sections, link a button to the section you just created. Select a button, open its link settings, and choose Section as the target. Then pick the section name you set earlier. If you prefer, you can also link using a hash anchor like #about, but selecting section from the dropdown ensures accuracy and smooth scrolling or switching depending on your layout. A few quick tips to keep things clean. Keep section names unique and descriptive. Drag sections in the sidebar to reorder your site flow, and preview on mobile to confirm spacing and transitions feel right. If a button isn't going to the right place, double check that the link target matches the section name exactly. And that's it. By adding section breaks and linking to them, you can build a polished, multi-page experience in a single card site with simple, clear navigation.